Hey everyone, it's Pavel Barber with this week's Skills Series video. This week we're going to be using the xDeviator to practice our puck protection and quick release shots. Let's go! Start off by setting up the xDeviator in a straight line pattern on a diagonal angle from the net. Swing in from the side and challenge yourself by going around, over, and through the xDeviator. Be sure to release that puck quickly because in a game you're not going to have a whole lot of time to release that puck. You also want to make sure to stick handle the puck to an area where the defenseman cannot poke check it away. Switch the angle of the xDeviator and come from the other side so that you are practicing both your backhand and forehand quick release shots. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you all next week for another Skills Series video. Keep challenging yourselves.